statue of Ali and Nino, a moving sculptural composition in Batumi Boulevard, is one of the attractions of Georgia's Black Sea Resort. The 8-meter-high transparent steel figures of women and men, named Ali and Nino, move slowly to pass through each other and gradually become one. This process repeats every 10 minutes. The sculpture was created by famous Georgian artist and sculptor Tamer Kvesidadze. The monument has got the name of the novel Ali and Nino by famous Azerbaijani writer Kurban Said. The statue of Ali and Nino was created in 2010 and represents a symbol of love. Batumi Panoramic Wheel is one of the most popular amusement parks in Batumi and one of the most attractive destinations in the city, where there is no age restriction and it's open for everybody. The 55-meter-high panoramic wheel is one of the best ways to enjoy the stunning views and beautiful buildings of Batumi. It takes about 10 minutes to make one circle on the wheel. It is designed for 240-person. Panoramic wheel construction is made in Italy. Alphabet Tower, 130 meters high with 33 letters of Georgian alphabet. The tower is one of the best modern architectural buildings dedicated to the Georgian alphabet. On the top of the tower, there is a rotating panoramic restaurant, an open terrace, and an observatory. Batumi Freedom Square is a place where festivals, events related to the city and the country are held. The tallest building, 205 meters high, houses the 5-star Le Méridien Batumi Hotel. Initially, this building was supposed to house of Technological University, but the purpose of the hotel suited this architecture the best. Medea was Colchian princess and was known for her pharmacist skills, so science medicine was named in her honor. Today, Medea statue with golden fleece, which is actually gold-plated, symbolizes wealth, prosperity, and connection of Georgia to the European world. Batumi Boulevard has more than one century history. Its construction began in 1881. The idea belonged to military governor Smegalov. Later, the planned construction of Batumi Boulevard should be continued by an invited French gardener d'Alphonse. In addition, the French-educated courtesan should be mentioned for the contribution to development of the boulevard. The boulevard is located in the historic part of the city, along the seaside. Its length is 7 kilometers. You can rent a boat at Nuri Lake. If you would like, you can try to be a captain and ride a boat. Nuri Lake has many legends and historical facts. It is rich with different types of fishes. Dolphinarium is one of the most favorite places of Batumi visitors. It is always crowded. Dolphinarium is a modern design architectural building which is equipped with the newest technology, marine life opportunities for sea animals, and amazing performances. Batumi Piazza is a square with cafes and restaurants in Batumi Adjara. The square is surrounded by restaurants, cafes, hotels, a children entertainment center, clocks with moving figures, Little Italy, evening musics, and so on. It is distinguished by its artistic mosaic and stained glass patterns. Temple, built in the early 20th century, has both architectural and artistic value. In 2009, the area of Batumi Boulevard was significantly enlarged. Batumi Arena construction began in 2018 and was completed in 2020. Ardagani Lake, located in Batumi on the Black Sea coast on the territory of New Boulevard. Ardagani Lake has a fountain of French music dancer. The fountains becomes a theater curtain and represent a wonderful laser show every evening. Batumi International Airport is 8 kilometers away from Batumi Center. Locals and tourists always gather on the new boulevard to watch the beautiful moment of planes taking off and landing.